Students, so welcome back. So now we're going to solve the numericals based on the colligative properties for the electrolyte now. Okay, so let's start. Freezing point of a solution containing acetic acid and 30 gram of benzene is lowered by this. Calculate I. So here we have to calculate the Bentov factor I. Fine. So let's see what is given first. So WV is given 30 gram. Okay. Then freezing point, it means delta TF is given 0.45 degree, or you can say 0.45 Kelvin. Then I you need to calculate. KF is given 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole. Fine. So let's calculate. Delta TF is equal to I KFM. Because we know that the nature of acetic acid, it will associate. So let's calculate. From I also you will come to know whether it will associate or dissociate. You will come to know about the nature of the solute as well. Either is it getting dissociated or associated. Fine. So substitute the values. I you need to calculate. KF is what? 5.12 into, and molality is that given mass of the solute, molar mass. Then solvent is benzene. Fine. So let's substitute all the values. Delta Ti we need to calculate. So Kf into Wb into 1 divided by Mb into Wa. Substitute 5.12 into WB is 30 gram divided by MB. Here MA will come. Fine. So molar mass of benzene. Benzene is C6H6. So 6 to benzene is I think 60. 6 to 12. Benzene you can calculate here. 6 into 12. 6 into 12 plus 6 into 1. 72 plus 6, that is 80. 78, sorry, 78 is benzene. Gram per mole. So 78 will come here. But mass of the solvent too is not given. Wait. Okay, sorry. The question is fine. It's 30 gram of benzene containing, this is 0.3. 0.3 gram of acetic acid. So WB is 0.3 gram. And WA is 30 gram. Fine. So this is 0.3. Okay. Then MB of acetic acid is 60. Then WA is 30. Substitute all the values, calculate I. Okay, so I you will calculate from here. So you will get the answer here 0.53. Okay, so now it is less than 1. So it means associated. So in this way you have to solve, and one in the other way also you can solve this numerical. First calculate MB from here and then you can compare, because this will be your abnormal one, calculated one. You can compare with the normal one, that is the 61. Okay, so if we do on alternative way, so MB will comes out to be here 113.8 gram per mole. Okay, this is your abnormal molar mass. Abnormal. And then normal one is 60 gram per mole. This is normal one. Okay. Then you can calculate I is what? Abnormal molar mass. Calculated one divided by normal one observed is equal to 60 divided by 113.8. You will get 0.53. So anyway you can do, either directly substitute there or do it like this. It's one and the same thing. Fine. So this is one of the type of the numerical freezing point. So let's take with the another property now. Similarly we can do with the help of boiling point as well. So let's take the one more. Let's take related to osmotic pressure. Okay. Osmotic pressure. The solution contains 0.8960 gram of a solution contains 0.8960 gram of potassium sulfate in 500 ml. Its osmotic pressure, its pi is found to be 0.69 atmosphere at 27 degrees Celsius. Calculate I. Okay, this is the question. We have to calculate I. So first we will calculate the observed molar mass. Or you directly say, they are not saying it's completely dissociating or the percentage is not given. So if they say complete, then I is simple, equal to the number of particles in case of complete dissociation. But here it is not equal to the number of particles. So apply the formula pi v is equal to I nRT. Fine. So expand this. I, you have to calculate I is equal to pi v divided by nRT, pi v divided by WB by MB into RT. So substitute all the values, calculate MB from here, or directly we'll calculate. I is equal to what? Pi is given 0.69 atmosphere, volume is 500 ml, convert in liters. Fine. So you will get 0.5 liter divided by 1000. Okay. Then WB 0.8960 molar mass you can calculate for potassium sulfate. Its molar mass is 174. R is 0.082 liter atmosphere. Temperature 27 degrees Celsius means 300 Kelvin. Okay, all the values you just do and then you get the value of I is coming out to be 2.72. So this is the way you have to solve the numericals. Substitute all the values and then calculate. Fine. So direct substitution of values has to be done. So in this way now you can practice more and more number of numericals. Fine, on the basis of the modified colligative properties, that is for the electrolytes. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.